Okay, to make your answer key and to grade your form, go ahead and after you've created your form, go to View Live Form. And what I do in my form is I do first name, last name, I just say answer key. And that just tells me that this is the answer key. And then you need to actually go and fill in the correct answer for each of your questions. So I'm just going to pause it and fill in the answers real quick. Okay, so I just selected all the correct answers and then click on Submit. Now if I go back to my drive, and it's typically in the folder that you created your original document in. So mine was in Mrs. Thompson's, number 16. It created this spreadsheet for me that says copy of vocabulary 16, and then it puts responses at the end. So you can see here, this is the answer key that I just added. Now, in order to grade your assignment, you would have to have multiple students answered your question. So I'm going to go back to one that I've already previously done. And I'm just going to pull up number 15. Okay, so as you can see here, the students have already answered the questions. Somewhere on here would be my answer key that I did. So the first time you do each new form, you need to insert a script. And just go to Insert Script. And basically this is the script that grades your paper for you. Okay, in this instance the script is called Flubaroo, so just type in Flubaroo and say search. And here it is, Flubaroo, install. And it will say it's already installed, but you would have to click on install again, click close. And now up here you will see the script that I've just added called Flubaroo. Now here you will need to run through the Flubaroo script. So click here, click on regrade assignment. Say yes. You wouldn't have to do those steps because it would be your first time grading. Now here you need to tell them what each question is. So here, first name identifies the student, last name identifies the student, and then 1 point for each of yours. You would not have these two columns, but if you ever had a question that you did not want graded, you would just say skip grading for those questions. Click continue. And now here it's going to ask which one of those responses has the correct answers. And so from here you would need to go and find your answer key and select it. Now it will grade all the other responses based on the answers you have in this one. Click continue, and it will grade your assignment. And it does take a few minutes, and then here click on View Grades. And like I showed you earlier, then it would show you the students and their grades. And you can see this is on a different spreadsheet page. So here's your student submissions. This is what you originally saw. After you ran that script, it added a new page for grades. And so now you can see their grades and their scores. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions.